and the breeze are push ready. Yo! Take a look up in it. Boom! Take a look up in it. Shit! Yo! Yo! Run, boy! Yo!
JBN, we keep you informed. Flood rains wreak havoc in sections of Jamaica. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. Motorists are being advised that due to the heavy rains over much of the island on Sunday, August 23, a number of major roadways have become impassable. These include a section of the Gordon Town Main Road in the vicinity of Damed in St. Andrew, which is now blocked due to a landslide. The relevant agencies are on location, making efforts to restore access to the roadway. In addition, residents of TRINITYVILLE and the surrounding areas in St. Thomas are left stranded as a temporary crossing which connects the communities was washed away by floodwaters following heavy rains. The new structure being built to replace the Coley Bridge has also been destroyed. Back in St. Andrew, some other points, such as sections of Marcus Garvey Drive near the Tinson Pen Aerodrome, have been flooded by the heavy rains. Also, a section of Constant Spring Road in Halfway Tree has been flooded and is preventing smooth motoring in the immediate area. As a result, the public is being cautioned to avoid traveling along roadways that are flooded or inundated with water.
The 8 Mile Gold Bay, St. Andrew. Well, the rainfall last night, it took away the banking from the river, some house up the road where it pick up some of them trees when at the yard it take it away. Grinding is not there, so that's why, because the grinding the dead here, to do like this. On the right hand side, I want to come down stop. Because it's only the side.
To rain, just a little rain, not even for half an hour, and the entire Halfway Tree area is flooded. I mean, the drainage is so poor. Oh, look at that. Nobody can cross it. It is really, really bad. Really, really bad. Just a little rain. Look, water is almost at his knee. Like, I'm sure there is no entrance into the giant bank. The drainage system is very poor here in Kingston, Jamaica, right in Halfway Tree. Whoa, look at water.
JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.